Right, that seems to have printed this time. Except I can't move it. We're just going out, so I won't be able to check it till we get home. I might as well leave that to cool down because that's still hot. Well, apparently we're early and we don't need to leave quite yet. So I've trimmed out, used the support layer there to fill that gap. So I've trimmed that out and that now slides on there. Can't do that with one hand, or can I? Oh, yeah, I can. So there we are. We can measure. It does go up to 7. It'll probably flick out if I do it all the way. We'll do it to 6 for now. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to get high precision with it, but as a novelty, as a business card novelty, which was the idea, it works. So 2.5, 1.5, or 15 and 25, I suppose, in millimeters, and about 45 millimeters. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.